Everything you know is in your mind.
Welcome to Playing with Mathematics. In the previous video, I discussed about rational number. Now I am going to discuss about irrational number of the following topics. Today's topics is first example and definition of irrational number. Irrational number, every non-terminating and non-recurring decimal number, non-terminating, both non-terminating and non-recurring, that is, it is not of the form p by q, q not equals 0. Here in the previous video I discussed the rational number p by q is of the form either a integer 2, that is 2 by 1, either it is a fraction 7 by 5, or it is non-terminating, terminating and non-terminating non-recurring decimal, that is non-terminating decimal either is of the form terminating decimal, that is 2.35, all are rational number, and recurring decimal 2.35 recurring, that is 2.35, 35, 35, all these number are rational number. Irrational number, there are mainly 4 types of irrational number. Type 1, that is 0.01, 001, 0001, 00001 and continue this. This number is non-terminating because this sequence is sequentially increases the number of zeros 0, 20, 30, 40 and continue. So it is non-terminating and also non-recurring. It cannot be expressed in any of the form this type. So it is not of the form p by q. Type 2 is of the form root over of n. N is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. That is root 2, root 5, root 7, root 11. All these are irrational number of type 2. Type 3 is of the form mth root of n. If n is not a power of m. M cannot be expressed in the power of a number, mth power of a number. So q root of 5, fourth root of 9, all these numbers are also irrational number. All these numbers are irrational number. Type 1 and 2 are basically known as surds. Now also another type of irrational number are type 4 is pi and e. These two irrational number are called transcendental irrational number. Pi and e are transcendental irrational number. Pi also 3.14, this continue, this, and e be the Euler's number. It is also transcendental irrational number. The value of pi has been computed to over 1.24 trillion decimal places using high speed computer. Now also this number, it is 2.353535, or if 0.01010101, if the number, what is the number? This is 0101, that is 0.01 repeating. This is equals 1 by 99. So it is of the form P by Q. But here this type of number is non-repeating number, that is non-recurring number. It is irrational number. Many numbers are is of the form. You can take also 3.10, 110, 1110, and so on. Or you can write also 15.13, 133, 1333. These are all also irrational number. Or repeating both, suppose 5.13, 1133, 111333, and continue. These are also non-terminating and non-recurring decimal number. These are the 4 types of irrational number. Now I will discuss the topics. Insert irrational numbers between two rational numbers 2.5 and 4. In the number line, suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now 2.5, this is the point 2.5. Between 2.5 and 4, insert irrational numbers. Many irrational number can be inserted. Now difference between two numbers, suppose this is A and B point. Difference between two numbers 4 and 2.5 is 4 minus 2.5 is 1.5. So we can write 2.5 plus another irrational number, suppose 0.01, 0111, 0111, 01111, and so on. So this is 2.5, 1011, 0111, 0, and this is an irrational number which is greater than 2.5 and less than 4, because this part, this irrational number is less than 1.5. So this is total, the sum of this irrational number included between 2.5 and 4. Similarly, you can get another irrational number 2.5 plus changing this irrational number, just taking 0.1, 001, 0001, 0001, and so on. So you can get another irrational number 2.5, 2.6, 2.6001, 0001, and so on. This is also an irrational number which lies in this interval. Again, we can choose any irrational number 2.5 plus, suppose which must be less than 1.5, 1.20, 2000, and continue this process. We can find infinite number of irrational number between two rational number. Now for the problem 2, insert irrational number between two irrational numbers. Insert irrational numbers between two irrational number √2 and √3. Now √2 equals, the value is known 1.414 this, and √3 equals 1.732 this. Suppose in the number line, this is the point 0, 1, and this is 1.4, and this is 1.7. This is 1.7. So the number, irrational number, lies between this and this, this and this. So we can write 1.4, 1.4 plus an irrational number greater than suppose 0.10100100001, and this, if we add this number, we get 1.501 and 001, and so this irrational number lies between 1.4 and 1.7. Similarly, we can take 1.4 plus any irrational number, 0.1101101, 1110, and so on. That is 1.51011101110. This is also an irrational. You are not known the value of root 3 and root 3, or if the problem is given root 7 and root 11, so we use the following method. Now if A, B, C are 3 numbers, then B by A proportional to B by A equal to C by B, that is B square equal to AC. We apply, that is B equals AC to the power half. Now this is equal to root 2 and this is equal to root 3. So any irrational number between this and this, A and C, is B is given by this method AC to the power half. Therefore B equals root 2 into root 3 to the power half, or root over of AC. B equals root over of AC. Therefore that is 6 to the power 1 by 4. 6 to the power 1 by 4. So we get root 2, and between 2 these an irrational number 6 to the power 1 by 4. We can get easily another irrational number between this and this, or between this and this, between root 2 and that is 2 to the power half and 6 to the power 1 by 4, and irrational number is x equals 2 to the power half into 6 to the power 1 by 4 whole to the power half, that is 2 to the power 1 by 4, 6 to the power 1 by 8, 2 to the power 1 by 4, 6 to the power 1 by 8. This is also an irrational number, lies between this and this. Similarly, you can find another irrational number between this and this, and we can get infinite number of irrational number between two irrational number. Now I am going to the topics 3. Theorem, topics 3, I have discussed theorem. Every rational number is represented by a unique point on the real number line, and conversely every rational number can be represented by a unique point on the real number line. So visually point real number line using successive magnification. I will put this number into the real number line. Now the number x lies between 3 and 4, x 3.275, x lies between 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. So we focus by magnification the point x lies between the interval 3 and 4. The point lies between the interval 3 and 4. Again we divide the interval 3 and 4 divided by 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. Divide this interval 10 equal parts. So I will get the point, suppose 3. So this is the point 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4 and continue this process, we get the point 4. Now the number x lies between 3.2 and 3.3. Because the number is 3.2 greater than 3.2, so up one places of decimal the number lies between this and this, 3.2 and 3.3. Again we divide 3.2 and 3.3 into this interval into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. So I get 3.2. This is the 3.20. So this is 3.21 and this is the point 3.22, 3.33, 3.34, 3.23, 3.27, 3.23 continue this point, 3.26, 3.27 and 3.28, 3.29 and 4. So x lies between, x also here, x lies between 3.27, that is 3.27 and 3.28, 3.27 and 3.28. X line between this interval, this. Now again we divide 3.27 and 3.28, 3.27 and 3.28 into 10 equal parts. 3.27, 3.27 suppose, 3.271, 3.272, 3.273, 3.274, 3.275 and continue. Okay, we reach the point 4. So this is the point P x, that is the point P is represent the x 3.275. Thanks for watching. I had discussed the 3 topics. Next 2 topics is left for next video. Till then, bye.